Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to download Google Docs so you can access your documents offline or share them beyond the digital world. So first things first, open the Google document you want to download. Then after that, please click on the File menu. It is located at the top left corner of your screen. Here. So once you're in the file menu, you'll see an option called download. So hover your mouse over download and you'll see a sub menu where you will choose what format do you want to download your Google document. So if you want it as a Microsoft Word, all you have to do is to click Microsoft Word, or if you want to download it as PDF file, you can also download it by clicking this option. So for example, we will download it as Microsoft Word, and then all you have to do is to type the file name here and then click save. So after naming your file, your document will start to download automatically. The file will go to your device default download location once you click save. And that's it. You now know how to easily download your Google Docs for offline use or sharing. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to download Google Documents. See you on my next video.